Hello everyone, hi and welcome. Today I took a trade on NASDAQ and the setup for a trade is very basic. I'm gonna go through it. I'll go through what exactly happened. I didn't spend any time on the screen. I basically got the alert to enter and those alert told me when to enter. So I'm gonna go through exactly the trade that was today on NASDAQ. I'll start from the morning to go step by step on it. Let's start from here. Before I start, anytime I start a day of trading, I need to calculate my ATR. It's very important to me to understand in the past few days the range of the price overall. In the past 20 days it was going from this point up to here, right? This is the range that was for the price. So if it reached to this point, I know automatically this is just thinking to short. This is the range. Anywhere here, it's a possibility for it to go up or down. Anywhere here, it's always the possibility only to think about shorting. It's vice versa. If it went down at the same range from here to here, this is where I think, okay, this range I'm only thinking to go long. In the middle I'm thinking up or down, but I don't do that until I see the price touching this point. What I do is very simple. Today, for example, let's say here it's at 3 a.m. definitely sleeping, but I'll tell you what I do. I wait for it till 6 a.m. Let's say the price come here 6 a.m. When it reached to 6 a.m. by default I see where it was the bottoms here, and then I go, okay, where was the high point? It's here. I just marked that. That's exactly what happened, right? Now the price goes, keeps moving, keeps moving, keeps moving. As soon as it breaks, let's say it broke, come on, okay, let's say it broke, right? At what point? I don't remember. It was here. Okay, it broke here. If it broke, immediately I put a trend line from here to here, and I aim for long. Now the price overall might be going like this. Nice, you click your cash, or it might be going against me. The point here, if it went against me in my favor, I'm okay, it's fine. The aim here is when it goes against me, passing this line of the trend, I close my trade. I keep and maintain my losses. That's what's important. So it crosses this line, I took a long, and it is going, it is going, it is going. Okay, now when I see it's going all good, I just do one small thing, which is keeping my stop loss just a teeny bitey down, just in case if it went against me, because if it went against me it will cross this line eventually. So I'll keep my stop loss here and I let it go. going. You can see it crossed here. All right. It crossed and it went up. So what I do is I adjust line up to here. And if you want to be in the profit, you can just here put your stop loss so you're in profit. Go up. Okay, you can close. Sure, you can close. But if you want to let it even go further, maybe you can put it here to see, maybe it will go up. It didn't. That's fine. Close. Okay, now it closed the trade, right? Now once you close this trade, this line is not useful anymore. So what basically you do is you take it up here. Okay, this trend line is no use. Okay, now you just watch the price. Price is going. Where is it going? Where is it going? Okay, okay. Now it crossed. Same thing. You do a trend line from, let's say, yeah, from here. 1 second. Okay, this trend line from here. Yeah. Okay. Buy order. Okay. Went against me. Yeah, it went against me, so I close. What I do now, as you can see, I am trying as much as I can to save my cash. That's what's important, because money will come eventually. I will close this line and I just let the price decide, and it decided to break again. So I'm gonna take my trend line again. And that's a long. If it went in my favor, good. If it didn't go to my favor, this will always be to protect me. Okay. Perfect. Close the trade. Doesn't bother you. These small losses, that's totally fine, because eventually one big move to the up will come and just brings you all your losses back. That's the key. Okay, the second trade didn't work. Let the price move. Cool. This one. Sometimes I write notes here. Like for example, just to remind myself not to go crazy, I only enter long when it crosses the line, otherwise I won't. And it did here. So what I do is I take my line here. No, that's too far, see? So I might take this trend here. I will bring my line here. Okay. And I will enter long. See, we cut short our losses from this one, which was here. See the big difference? Always keep your losses short, because the profit will come. Because this is like, yeah, it's catching the trend. When you catch the trend, just things go crazy up to your favor, up or down. And okay, see, now it didn't go down, but the wick is here. I'm just gonna fix it to the latest wick. See what I'm talking about? That's what I'm talking about. Again, when it goes crazy, just keep your losses somewhere, stop loss closer, so just in case if it goes crazy backward, you're protected. And That's crazy. Now I'll do one more thing. I'll bring my trend like closer, and just to be in profit somewhere here. Yeah, here. Go higher. It's gonna go higher. Why not? Okay. Whatever the price decides to do, I'm gonna be going with it. See, like these profits you're trying to tackle, and they are on a daily basis. Okay, remember when I talked about the ATR? See, the ATR, this is the full ATR from here to here. This is half of the ATR. So the price when it reaches here, it always comes back down. Sometimes when it reaches here, sometimes it goes down. But it's good to know. It's good to be aware. Now, if it passed that ATR, if it's a crazy day, it will keep going. If it's a normal day, usually it goes back down. Knowing that, one of these two scenarios I can do. I can take my profit here, done, or I can put my stop loss here. Okay, that's on the ATR, and I'll let the price decide where it wants to go. As long as it stays on this line, I'm okay. Let me just adjust, since it just touched it a little bit. There it is. That was my trade. That was my trade today. And look, you're in profit. These type of trades you're trying to tackle. And of course the price went higher, blah 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 blah, but I didn't care. I took my trade. Now if it crossed again, I might not take it again. You know why? Because it's closer to the ATR I put. This is the full ATR. So yeah, this trade was enough for me to start and end the day with. I can remove this and I can remove this. This is a simple way. It's been working, and it's always there. These moves are all every day there. Just have to be patient, and like, yeah, I took one which was good, and then two was not good, but didn't matter to me, because you know these two are actually a protection from losing a lot, because these big moves will come and they will bring you like double, triple, quadruple the amount you lost. It's all in the psychology. Yeah, hope this was helpful, and yeah, thank you guys, have a good day.